Hi, this is Stacy, and it's amazing. A week ago, I was making a video about finding time to retreat and get out into the beautiful warm weather and putting your toes in the sand and playing in the ocean. And a week later, I am in Philadelphia, snowed in with blizzard Jonas, and just surrounded by snow. And I was thinking it was so kind of ironic. And then after that, figured it was just perfect timing that a week ago I was talking about the importance of slowing down, creating spaciousness, and finding time to retreat in beautiful places. And here I am, I'm sitting in one of my Adirondack chairs. My butt is freezing. And I'm realizing that even though I didn't go away, I am still sitting. Even though I didn't go away, I'm still sitting in stillness. And there is beauty with the snow, even though my old stories of hating the snow and hating the cold, like those stories just come up, they just surface. But in reality, it's beautiful. And it's not just about finding times to retreat and escape your reality. It's about being able to find the beauty and slowing down even when you're home, and creating a house or your home as your sanctuary where you can be in stillness and you can find the spaciousness even at home to slow down and tap into your inner knowing, your heart knowing, your inner wisdom. So live from Philadelphia in the middle of blizzard Jonas, I'm here to tell you that even if you are outside with a really cold butt like I am, that your dreams matter and that you can discover your dreams and live your dreams even if you're in the middle of a snowstorm. Much love.